Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. All right, so today we're looking at Kiwi CAD, all right, on the 4-hour chart. All right, so what I noticed about Kiwi CAD, which I like, is that you can see there's a very nice descending resistance line over here, right? You could even argue that there is a sort of a channel, right? There's a sort of a channel. In fact, yeah, there is a bearish channel that we're seeing over here. Okay, so pretty strong bearish channel that we're seeing, right? So the overall momentum of the overall momentum is bearish. Okay, at the same time, right? This is where we zoom in a little bit more. We see where price is currently, right? If we take a Fibonacci projection from here to the top down to here, we see that it is testing the 100%. Okay, take a retracement from the top all the way down to here. We can see it's testing the 50%. So I'm going to leave the 50 and 61.8 over there. Okay. In terms of a graphical resistance, we can see that there's an overlap resistance over here. Okay. So it's lining up quite nicely, right? And we're seeing that there's a bit of a resist. If I put our entry somewhere, it'll be about here. And if we put our stop loss, it'll be slightly above here, right? So stay above here. How far down you can play the move? You have enough confidence to play it down to the recent swing low down here, right? So recent swing low down here. So this should give you enough momentum to play the move down all the way down to here, right? I think if we pull up the Ichimoku cloud, we can see that it is testing bearishness, right? If we pull up the there's a death cross over here, right? Death cross over here, right? If we pull out the indicator, we might be able to see that there is a price seems to be testing a key area of resistance, right? The key area of resistance. Let me remove this, right? So here we go. Around this area of resistance that we're seeing over here, where all the previous big reversals happened. So yeah, price seems to be lining up quite nicely for price to drop all the way down to our take profit of this level. It's a slightly longer term setup, probably in the next 1 week or so. Yeah, but there's nice bearish momentum, bearish channel, bearish Ichimoku, overlap support, overlap resistance, 100% projection, and 50% retracement. So yeah, we can expect price to drop quite nicely from here. Right. So that's it for me. Right. Tune in again tomorrow for more high probability setups that we derive using technical analysis. All right. So trade safe and stay safe, guys.